In these first 10 stories, we saw the quiet struggles children face inside their own homes. Moments that look small to adults, waiting, being compared, or feeling ignored, can leave lasting marks on a child's heart.
Children don't need grand events to shape them. They learn from the everyday, whether a parent shows up, listens, or argues in front of them. To adults, it may feel ordinary. To children, it defines love, trust, and safety.
No parent is perfect. Fatigue, stress, or distraction can lead to mistakes. But awareness is power. When parents admit those mistakes and repair them, they teach children that love can heal, that presence matters more than perfection.
These stories are not about blame. They are about awareness. Every small choice, listening instead of dismissing, showing up instead of forgetting, creates a safer, kinder tomorrow. Children may be small, but their feelings are big. Reflection helps us see the deeper meaning behind ordinary family life. Watch again and share, and let's protect children together. From these first 10 stories, which one touched you the most and why? We are here to listen without judgment. This was Reflection 1 from Child Mind Stories.